With the Rabbit, the back of our project measures 23 3/8 by 45 inches. Based on our initial calculations for plywood, we should be able to get the back piece out of 1/4 of a sheet of plywood. Given that a full sheet of plywood is 4 feet by 8 feet, we will begin by cutting it in half. And this will get us material that is 48 inches wide by 48 inches long. According to the cutting diagram, the grain pattern of the plywood needs to run lengthwise with our length measurement, that length measurement being 45 inches. Additionally, on our project, that length measurement, 45, needs to have that grain direction running lengthwise, so it also matches the side pieces of our project, which also run lengthwise.